V12 engines aren't just engines, they're dinosaurs. But they might not be extinct just yet. So, what's the deal? Well, engines with 12 cylinders are massive, expensive, and absolutely terrible on fuel, which makes them a nightmare for modern emissions rules. That's exactly why almost every carmaker dropped them years ago for smaller, turbocharged V8 South and hybrids. But here is the plot twist. A few legendary brands refuse to let the V12 go quietly. Ferrari just committed to keeping its naturally aspirated V12 alive, screaming all the way to 9,500 RPM with insane power. Lamborghini's V12 proves you can have a hybrid V12 that meets emissions targets. And Aston Martin's Valkyrie has a V12 that revs past 11,000 RPM. It's practically a race engine for the street. Look, most V12s are gone for good. But for a few special hypercars and luxury flagships, they're sticking around. Nothing else has that sound, that smoothness, or that mystique. Thanks for watching.